Hello everyone. Today I want to share my views on international politics. In international politics, I want to share my views on role of international organization. Okay. Um, but before discussing about the international organization, I want to share that I will discuss here the history of international organization, the purpose of international organization, and the types of international organization, and how the League of Nations was formed. As you know that international organization have played a great role in global politics. Okay, so starting with the topic, what was international organization? International organization is an intergovernmental organization, first of all. Secondly, it is an organization established by a treaty between the two countries or many countries, or it is an organization or other instrument governed by international law. It means that international law is most important to international organization. Okay, or possessing its own international legal personalities. International organization has its own international legal personalities such as United Nations, World Health Organization and NATO. Okay, so international organizations are composed of member states. It's very important. Here the question has arisen, from where or who composed the international organization. Okay, so international organizations are composed of member states, but here the question has arisen, what are member states? Here the question are arisen, what are member states? Member states are those countries which belong to political, economical or trade organizations. Okay, and some other examples are given below: UN, United Nations, OSCE, Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, BIS, Bank for International Settlement, COE, Council of Europe, and ILO, International Labour Organization, and Labour Organization, and Interpol, International Police Organization. Here I have given their existence date also. Okay, as you know that United Nations was formed in 24th October 1945. Okay, and OSCE, Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe, was formed in 1st August 1975, and BIS, Bank for International Settlement, was formed in 17 May 1930, and COE, Council of Europe, was formed in 5 May 1949, and ILO was formed in 1990, and the last one is Interpol, International Police Organization, was formed in 7th September 1923. Okay, so the history of international organization. Okay, here the question has arisen that which was the first and oldest intergovernment organization. So the first and oldest intergovernment organization was International Telecommunication Union. Okay, and the second question has arisen that when was International Telecommunication Union was founded? So answer is International Telecommunication Union was founded in 1865. Okay, here the other question has arisen, the in history of international organization, that the first general international organization which addressing the variety of issues, what was the name of that international organization? The first journal international organization addressing a variety of issues was the League of Nations, and after the League of Nations, the United Nations followed the model after World War II. Okay, that the United Nations had taken the place in the place of League of Nations. Okay, now here the formation of League of Nations. Okay, formation. Number one, the League of Nations was an organization for international cooperation. It means that the formation of the purpose of League of Nations was to maintain the international cooperation. Okay, it was established on January 10, 1920. When was the, here the question has, two question has arisen, that what was the purpose of League of Nations? The purpose of League of Nations was to maintain the international cooperation. Okay, and when was the League of Nations established? It was established on January 10, 1920. Okay, and at the initiative of the victorious Allied powers at the end of World War I. Okay, and when was it disbanded, or when was it ended? So it was disbanded on April 1946. And where was its headquarter? Its headquarter was in Geneva, Switzerland, created after the First World War to provide forum for resolving international dispute. It means its creation was to provide a forum for resolving international disputes, or to resolving the international disputes. Okay, so number 2, the League of Nations has its origin in the 14 points speech of President Woodrow Wilson, part of presentation given in January 1918. Okay, so here the question has arisen, when did the Woodrow Wilson give the speech of 14 point speech? Okay, so January 1918 में speech दी, outlining of his ideas for peace after the carnage of World War I. Okay, so here the question has arisen, what was the aim of the League of Nations? The main aim of the organization was disarmament, निशस्त्रीकरण, प्रिवेंटिंग वॉर थ्रू कलेक्टिव सिक्योरिटी, युद्ध से सुरक्षा करना, और कलेक्टिव सिक्योरिटी सामूहिक सुरक्षा करना, सेटलिंग डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन कंट्रीज सभी देशों के बीच में डिस्प्यूट को हटाना, कलेक्टिव सिक्योरिटी क्रिएट करना थ्रू नेगोशिएशन एंड डिप्लोमेसी बाय डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस बना करके, एंड इम्प्रूविंग ग्लोबल वेलफेयर, और ग्लोबल वेलफेयर को इम्प्रूव करना. Okay, these are some aims of League of Nations. It means the aim of League of Nations was number 1 disarmament, number 2 preventing war through collective security, okay, settling dispute between countries through negotiation and diplomacy, okay, number 3 improving global welfare. These are some aims of League of Organization. And number 3, the council consists of 4 permanent members. There are 4 permanent members: Great Britain, France, Japan and Italy, and 4 non-permanent members. And at its largest, the League of Nations was comprised of 58 member states. It means that when the League of Nations was formed, it was comprised of 58 member states. And Soviet Sangh joined the League of Nations in 1934, but it expelled in 1939. Okay. Here, the League of Nations does not still exist. Okay, अभी तक एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं है. It was disbanded on, as I tell you earlier, that it was disbanded on April 19, 1946, and its power and function was transferred to United Nations. इसकी powers और function किसे दे दिए गए? United Nations को, जो कि कब establish हो गई थी? 24 October 1945 को. Okay, number 5, the United Nations should absolutely join the the United States should absolutely join the Treaty of Versailles. United States ने Treaty of Versailles को join किया, and join the League of Nations. Okay, and League of Nations को भी join किया. The United States fought in World War I, and many Americans lost their lives defeating the German and Allies. It is only side the America should do everything it can to help prevent another major war. It means the United Nations has a great role to prevent the war. So, number 6, Republican opposed joining Wilson terms of no reservation, allowing the league to force, okay, the US to enter a war without approval of Congress. In the end of Senate, in the end, the Senate voted down the Treaty of Versailles in 1919 and never joined the League of Nations. एंड में सीनेट हैड voted Treaty of Versailles in 1919, and never joined, and Senate decided that US never joined the League of Nations. Okay, now the purpose of international organization. What is the main purpose of international organization, or what is the role of international organization? It want to, number 1, to set the international agenda, as what is to do, to maintain the peace in the world. Okay. Number 2, mediating political bargaining, providing a place for political initiatives. If there is any dispute, so there is a political to give a political initiative to maintain the peace between the countries. Okay. Acting as catalyst for coalition formation. If there is any dispute, so to maintain the peace, there is a coalition formation. Okay. They facilitate cooperation and coordination. Okay. To maintain the cooperation and coordination. In addition, they promote global initiatives and aimed at reduced inequality like the United Nations and Sustainable Development Goal. Okay. So the main purpose is to set the international agenda and act as a catalyst to form a coalition. Okay. And to facilitate or to maintain the cooperation and coordination, and act as a or promote global initiatives, or to maintain the global welfare, and to reduce inequality को reduce करना. These are some purpose. Okay. So the next topic is types of international organization. Some international agreements create international organization which are institutes that set rules for nations and provide venue for diplomacy. There are two types of international organizations. Some international agreements are created by the international organization to set the rules. Okay. So there are two types of international organization. Okay. Like that, international governmental organization, international non-governmental organization, INGOs, or more commonly NGOs. Okay. And in recent years, mostly there are two: international governmental organization, international non-governmental organization. But in recent years, multinational corporations, MNCs, has also had significant impact on the international system. And IGOs, international governmental organization, and international non-governmental organization exist for variety of reasons. There are a reason for their existence. Some reasons are given below. Some reasons are: number 1, controlling the proliferation of conventional and nuclear weapons. It means to control the nuclear weapons. To control the nuclear weapons. Okay. Or to control the use of nuclear weapons. Number 2, supervising trade. How the trade is had to be created. Okay. So there is a supervision of trade. Number 3, maintain military alliances. Military alliances को maintain करना. Number 4, ending world hunger. World hunger. If there is any typical situation in the world or in the country, in any country, so it has to be necessary to maintain to end the world hunger. Okay. Number 5, fostering the spread of democracy and peace. Okay. It is very necessary to spread democracy and peace. Okay. And ending the world hunger, because there is a development of the countries if these points are to be happened, like control of the nuclear weapons, supervising trade, maintaining military alliances, ending world hunger, fostering the spread of democracy and peace. Then there is a development in all the world. Okay. And there is no world hunger. Okay. And there is a democracy and peace also. So here the number 1 is international governmental organization. International governmental organization is IGOs formed when governments make. Who form these international governmental organizations? कौन बनाता है? IGOs form when governments make an agreement or band together. Only government belong to IGOs. It means that government made the international government organization, which are sometimes known by acronym IO, international organization. Some like UN, International Atlantic Treaty Organization, World Trade Organization, and European Union are some examples of IGOs. It means that international government organizations are made by government. Okay. And some like UN, NATO, WTO, or EU, European Union, some like that. Okay, sorry. Non-government organization. Unlike government organization, NGOs are made up of individual, not business or government. NGOs serve a variety of functions and represent numerous interests. Okay, organizations that are not affiliated with government but that nevertheless play an important role in international politics are called non-government actors. NGOs have positive impact on global politics. Although Amnesty International has helped defend human rights since the end of World War II, non-government actors have become more important in the global arena. Okay, here non-government, it means that non-government organizations are made up by individuals, not business, not government made that organization, but a group of people made that non-government organization, NGOs. Okay, but they have a most important role in international politics. Okay, they have more impact, positive impact on global politics. As important, for example, Amnesty International has helped डिफेंड ह्यूमन राइट्स. एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स को डिफेंड करने में हेल्प करती है. ओके, एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल इज ए NGOs, international non-governmental organization. Okay, some important international organization are Amnesty International Organization. It is a NGO. Foundation date is 1961. It means that Amnesty International was formed in 1961 and member of, as of 2006, 18 million members in 150 countries. Okay, like that 18 million members हैं 150 countries में. Okay, now the second one is European Union. European Union is a IGO. It was formed in 1992. 25 states are included in European Union. Okay, like United Kingdom, Sweden and Estonia. Number 3, International Olympic Committee, IOC. It is an NGO. It was formed in 1894 and 115 individuals are in this organization. Okay, रिप्रेजेंट दी IOC इन देयर होम कंट्रीज. अपनी ही कंट्रीज में ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. नंबर 4, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज, OPEC. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एक्सपोर्टिंग कंट्रीज, OPEC. इट इज ए IGO. It was formed in 1960 and 11 states including, it means that 11 states are there in this OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Okay, Venezuela, Qatar, Indonesia, like that. Okay, but here I want to tell you that here the question has a reason. Many question has a reason in this topic, that give the full form of this IOC, OPEC. Okay, and what was the formation date, foundation date of these organizations, like that. How many states are included in these organizations, like that. Okay, so this topic is so important. Number 5, Salvation Army, NGO, 1878. Okay, नंबर 6, सेव दी चिल्ड्रन. ये NGO है, 1932 में बनी. इट वॉज फॉर्म्ड इन 1932. हेल्प्स चिल्ड्रन इन पॉवर्टी अराउंड दी वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग ऑफ दी US एंड नेपाल. ओके, बच्चों की हेल्प के लिए इन पॉवर्टी, गरीबी में, अराउंड दी होल ओवर दी वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग दी US एंड नेपाल. ओके, नंबर 7, यूनाइटेड नेशन. ये IGO है. 1945 में, 24 अक्टूबर 1945 में ये एस्टैब्लिश हुई एंड 191 स्टेट्स आर देयर इंक्लूडिंग बुर्किना फासो, डेनमार्क, US एंड जमैका. ओके, लाइक दैट. नंबर 8, वर्ल्ड बैंक, IGO. IGO वर्ल्ड बैंक 1945 में बनाया गया. 100 स्टेट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं इसमें. 100 स्टेट्स आर इंक्लूडेड देयर, कैमरून एंड सेनेगल के द्वारा. एंड देयर आर सम नोट हेयर. Okay, there are more than 300 intergovernmental organization around the world. It means that 300 intergovernmental organization are there. Okay, more than 300. नंबर 2, 50 लार्ज INGOs हैं रफली, एंड स्मॉल INGOs कितनी हैं? 3 लाख. 50 लार्ज INGOs हैं एंड 3 लाख स्मॉल INGOs हैं. It means that intergovernmental organizations, how many intergovernmental organizations are there? More than 300. And how many large INGOs? 50. And how many small INGOs? 3 lakh के करीब. BRAC is the largest non-governmental development organization in the world in terms of number of employees as of September 2016. Okay, BRAC लार्जेस्ट नॉन गवर्नमेंटल डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, और नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज सितंबर 2016 के अकॉर्डिंग. टाइप्स ऑफ NGOs, देयर आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ NGOs वेरिएशन existence including Bingo, ENGO, Congo, GONGO. Number 1, Bingo, BINGO, business friendly international NGO. For example, Red Cross. Number 2, ENGO, environmental NGO, Greenpeace and Wildlife Fund. Number 3, GONGO, government organized non-governmental organization. एग्जाम्पल है इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर. इट मीन्स बिंगो का एग्जाम्पल है रेड क्रॉस, ENGO का एग्जाम्पल है ग्रीन पीस एंड वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड. GONGO का एग्जाम्पल है इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर. ओके, सो this topic was closed here. Okay, I have another topic on UNO. Okay, but so please, I hope that you like my video, you like my views. Okay, and so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, and I hope that you will like my video. Okay, so thank you. Okay.